Hello friends, in this video, we will learn how to add production and consumption details of the commodities in the inventory software if our company is manufacturing products for sale. Adding the production and consumption details are vital for inventory management of the company. It helps with the stock management. As we can see here on the quick access panel on the left side of the window, we have an option as inventory. We will click here, and as we can see that here we have numerous options. To understand how production and consumption affects the inventory management, we shall click on the stock summary report option here. After this stock summary opens, we can get the stock summary of a particular item group by selecting the item group. For example here, we will select top wear and clicking on the show button. After this stock summary for particular items in the item group are shown. As we can see that the number of t-shirts in stock are 4 and for jackets it is 5. Now we will create production. To do that either we can use the quick access panel as we can see here. Or we can click in the transactions tab on the menu bar and then select production. After this the production dialog box opens. Here we can input the date of production, then we will click on the item text box and select items whose production is to be created. To select an item you can start typing any part of the item name. System will show the list of all matching items. You can change the selection using the up or down arrow and then press the enter key to select. If the item is not already created, then you can also create the new item from here. You can type new and select the new item option using enter key. After this, a new item dialog box appears. You can fill details and press the OK button, and the item will be created. You can also search the items using fields like manufacturer or item group using F3. After pressing F3, you will see a search window where you can filter the items using any keywords and press enter to select the required item. You can see the current stock of the selected item here. After this, we need to fill up other details such as quantity, for example 50, unit, rate, for example 350. Amount is automatically calculated by the system. Then we need to click on the add button and the item details will be registered in production. We will do the same for jackets. We can also edit or delete the details using the options we can see here. To edit the details, we need to select the item and click edit button. We can then edit the details as required. For example, change quantity from 50 to 55 and then click on add button and the production is edited as we can see. Similarly, to delete items, we can select the item and click on delete and the item will be deleted from the production. Finally, we can click on the OK button and the production is created. As we can see, after pressing the show button again, the quantity of t-shirts in stock is updated. Similarly, we can create consumption also. For example, if some t-shirts are consumed, we can feed the details here. We have to launch the consumption dialog box by the quick access panel. Or the transactions tab in the menu bar. Then we have to feed the details in a similar manner to production. Here we will feed the consumed quantity as 10. Rest everything is taken by the system automatically by the information we filled during creating the item. After this, we will click on the add button and the details will be added to consumption. Finally, we will click the OK button. The consumption will be created and the change in the quantity of t-shirts can be seen after pressing the show button, as it can be seen. So we saw how we can create production and consumption in inventory software. Thank you.